Hello everyone, welcome back to Hasta La Visa. Initially, I had planned to do a video on paper-based application for Canada Visit Visa. But it seems that IRCC has again postponed the decision to start the paper applications, and they might remain suspended for a few more months. And if you have been going through the information relayed by IRCC, it seems that the Canada border for temporary visas are closed till October 31. Certain categories have been exempted from travel restrictions, but it is advised that you go through the cic.jc.ca website for the complete and authentic information. But the good thing is that across the world, many application centers have resumed operations, but for limited services. The primary services being offered currently are restricted to submission of biometrics. Many of you who have applied for their visas recently would have received their biometric instruction letter within few days after submission of their application online. People who are applying for permanent residency, there is a notification from the Immigration Ministry, Canada. If you have submitted the biometrics in the last 10 years for any category of application, visit, work or study for Canada, then you are not required to give the biometrics even if you have received biometric instruction letter asking you to submit the biometrics. This provision has been made keeping in mind the COVID situation for PR applicants. In case you have already provided the biometrics, you can write back to IRCC mentioning the details regarding the biometrics you submitted. But even if you have submitted the biometrics previously and still want to resubmit them, or if you don't remember the details about the biometrics submitted previously, I advise you to reach out to the local visa application center who will have information and will be able to help you to submit the biometrics again. Please note that this option is only for PR applicants, that is permanent residency applicants. Temporary visa applicants, those who are applying for visit, work or study, will still have to submit their biometrics. In the description below, I will post the link for checking your biometric validity. Use that, enter your required details and check your biometric validity. The other service being provided is passport submission for both temporary and permanent resident cases. If IRCC has made a decision about your visa, you would have received passport submission letter in your email asking you to submit the passport for visa stamping. Please note that your passport might be returned back to you by courier. So it is advisable that you check with the local visa application center to know how the passport will be returned back to you. Also, please do keep in mind that due to COVID, the service time frame now will not be the same as the one before COVID. So be prepared for some delay in the to and fro transmission of documents. And the other service now being provided is for application submission of permanent resident travel document, that is PRTD. This category is for people who had previous valid PR. Except for biometrics, passport submission and PRTD application submission might involve service charges that will have to be paid at the visa application center. For biometrics, you are not required to make any payment as you have already paid online. In the description, I'll be posting links containing the various services provided and the location of visa application centers. Do go through that and search for your nearest visa application center and see what kind of services are being offered. If you are planning to approach the visa application center for any kind of inquiries, my advice will be that instead you proceed to the website cic.gc.ca or canada.ca. I'm saying this from my personal experience. If you have already submitted an application previously and you want to know the status, it is advisable that you write to IRCC through the web form, whose link I'll be posting in the description. The staff at the Visa Application Center don't have any information regarding the processing of applications. So that's all for today. So now we are coming to the end of our video. Please do let me know if you have any queries or doubts or suggestions or feedback through the comment section. Also, my email is mentioned in the description box. You can reach out to me through my email, contacthastalavisa@gmail.com. That's all for today. Have a great day ahead. See you soon. Take care.